Hi everyone, CNXsoft here. This is Xiaomi Mi A1 Android One smartphone. I've been using it for a little over 1 year and I was expecting to use it for 18 months because Android One is supported for 18 months or maybe 2 years. I am not sure anymore. But I broke the screen and recently the EMC flash became very slow. So I got a replacement now. Gearbest sent me Mi A2 Android One smartphone. It will get monthly security updates and firmware updates. And recently it got Android Pie firmware. That's why I decided to review it, to have a look. And I got the version with 4GB RAM and 32GB flash. Yes. So let's see what we've got. So we've got a user guide in English. That's a USB Type-C to 3.5mm adapter because, of course, the jack is gone, the audio jack is gone. This is the SIM card tool. Oh, and this time it's new. They have a protective case, which might be useful to me because I drop my phone very often. Oops. And that's a Mi A2 with a new improved camera, new improved back camera, a new improved front camera, and a faster Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 processor. The A1 has the 625 processor. So let's remove this. So it looks similar to the A1, except it's slightly bigger with a 5.99-inch display. At the bottom here, if you can see, we have the speaker, the micro USB port, and the A1 here at the audio jack, but it's gone, and instead we have to use the micro USB port. Here we have the power and volume buttons on the side. Nothing significant here. Same. Here we have the fingerprint scanner, and the new camera here. So let's start to boot it, if there is still have some battery. Okay, it starts. So while it's booting, I will look at the other part in the package. So we've got the USB Type-C cable for charging, and we have a charger. Oh, the boot was quite fast this time. Okay, I will try to connect to... I will skip the Wi-Fi for now, I'm too far. Okay, I will put my name. So the setup is basically the same. I'll skip the fingerprint. Screen lock I'll skip. Yeah, skip anyway. I agree. Next. And we've got the same user interface. Let me see if I can adjust the brightness. That's better. but still not perfect. But the user interface is the same. And let's see what we have now. Oh yeah. settings, system, about phone. So I'm still in Android 8.1.0 with kernel 4.478. So what I'm going to do now, I will connect to Wi-Fi, insert the SIM card and do the update and run some benchmark, and I publish this in the link below with CNX software. Oh, let's have a look at the power supply, at the charger, to see if it's just your standard 5V 2A adapter, and it is, yeah. So no fast charger. Maybe I will try if the phone supports fast charging, since I have a QC on USB PD adapter during the review. Alright, thanks for watching, bye bye.